Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain if-else conditional statement with you. So as I said, if-else conditional statement. Here I write one example for you guys. Here pass equals to enter the password, and pass means password. So it checks this line promotes the user to enter their password. If password is equals to abc@123, print access granted. If the condition is true, means the user enter their password exactly abc@123, it will print the message as a access granted. That means the password is correct. Means the condition, if the condition is true, it will print the message as a access granted. See, I am going to show you that abc@123 and enter. See, I get the message that's access granted. What is this part? This is the else part. If the user enter their password not exactly ABC, it will print the access deny message. This line runs if the password is incorrect. I again run this and 1 2 3 enter. See, the else part is printed. So this is the if else conditional statement. In next lecture I am going to explain else if ladder. What is this else if ladder? Thank you so much for today. Bye bye.